Hello guys, welcome to Geekbuying channel. Today we are going to have a quick look at Huami's newly released products, Amazfit GTS, Amazfit Smart Sports Watch 3, which is also called Amazfit Stratos 3 and a concept smartband, Amazfit X. The Amazfit GTS is a square smartwatch, unlike the recently announced round Amazfit GTR, which we did a review about it recently. You can check it out. The watch packs a large 1.65 AMOLED display, which is quite sharp at 341 pixels per inch. The body is fairly compact at 43.25 by 36.25 mm and quite thin and light, which are 9.4 mm and 24.8 grams only. Its body is made out of aluminum alloy and is available in 6 different colors. Comparing to the Apple Watch Series 4, I gotta say it feels less premium as the back of the GTS is plastic. As you can see, the black bezel of GTS is a bit wider than Apple's, but it's 12.1% less thicker as the official info shows. The Amazfit GTS is water resistant up to 5 atm, so it's suitable for swimming and light snorkeling, in addition to the usual terrestrial exercises. Besides GPS and GLONASS, the watch also boasts NFC and Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. There's an optical heart rate tracker, a barometer, ambient light sensor and accelerometer plus compass. For the availability, you can check the link in the description. Amazfit Smart Sports Watch 3 or Amazfit Stratos 3 packs a 1.34-inch circular display protected by tempered glass. It's a low-power transflective display with 320 by 320 pixel resolution. The watch body is made from 316L stainless steel, measuring 48.6 mm in diameter. It comes with a sporty silicone strap, which you can easily swap for any other 22 mm strap. Battery life is 7 days, despite the jump to 300 mAh capacity. It can be stretched out to 14 days with Ultra Mode, which offers limited smart functionality. Notably, 24-hour heart rate tracking and notifications remain active. This is unlike the basic watch mode of the GTS, which disables Bluetooth and the heart rate sensor, but ups battery life to 46 days. The Amazfit Smart Sports Watch is made to be on the go. It can last an impressive 70 hours with continuous GPS tracking, much better than the GTS. There's 1.9 GB of user-available storage, which can be used for offline music played over Bluetooth headphones, another perk over the Square model. For the price and availability, you can check the links in the description. Finally, the Amazfit X is still in the prototype stages. It promises a large 2.07 curved AMOLED display, 326 pixels per inch, 430 nits of brightness. That's much larger than the likes of Mi Band 4 or Samsung Galaxy Fit, 0.95 inch in both cases. The 220 mAh battery will last 7 days between charges. However, we are unclear about the price at the moment, but sure we'll update once available. That's the video. If you want to know more about them, please don't hesitate to check out on our Geekbuying website. As always, we provide excellent customer service and quality products to our fans across the world. Stay subscribed. See you next time.